In this video, we are going to use the draw tool in Audacity, although it's not used very frequently, but in some situations, you might want to use it. For example, if in this click, you can hear this distortion in the starting at this point. So this is this tick sound that you can see on the wave, and I want to get rid of this. Now, what options do you have? We can select this and we can cut this particular part. But what if the situation was that it's part of a speech here and you don't want to, ruin the speech? So in that case, you can use this draw tool to reduce the effect of this annoying sound. So what we can do is we will zoom our clip. Just hold the control key on your keyboard and just start zooming it from the scroll wheel on the mouse. And you need to scroll a lot, but make sure that you don't lose the point. Just make the selection again and then just again start zooming it. When you see like this, like these lines, only then you can correct this part. Otherwise, when you select the draw tool and click on the particular clip, it will ask you to use the draw tool when you zoom it further until you can see the individual samples. So let's zoom it again, and now we can see the individual samples of the waves. Let's select the draw tool now, and now let's line up and even out this, distortion like this, and just close and turn it back to the selection tool, and let's zoom it out. And now you can see that that distortion just disappeared. How it's very smooth now, almost unnoticeable. So that's how you use the draw tool in Audacity.